LODE stock analysis Monday. Is it a buy or not? Which is 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I'm observing ComStock LODE ticker symbol, and it's like 9% down on Friday. And overall, like higher time frame bias on my listing for me is quite bullish, if you can't tell. For context, I've done 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course cement strips, and I've documented everything. And just like observing LODE, yes, like we started breaking through some structural highs and whatnot. Like even my previous prediction on LODE like was called out right here. And obviously we're gonna check the video because why not? I have the proof. Boom. This video was made 24th of December, way before anything happened really. This is the vertical line on 24th. And after that, you know, the price just zoomed. With that in mind, I'm still looking to double down on this bullish chart and market, and the only way that I'll do that really is if I see this double break. Yeah, I'm really just sticking to it, you know, not much more to it. If the price just kind of keeps going down and whatnot, you know, obviously I'm going to get rid of this. This is up until this point. Obviously, I'll keep you updated Monday, so if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.